beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another Luxe List, and on today's Luxe List we are going to try out some celebrity wines. I have my husband here with me. Say hello. And we are in my wine room and we're gonna try out some of these beautiful looking wines. So the first one that we're gonna try is Avaline. I think that's how you pronounce it. Obviously, we have already been trying this, right? But we're gonna try it again for you guys. And this is by Cameron Diaz, and it is her white blend. So we're gonna try it and see if it made the Luxe List, right? Okay, so I'm gonna pour you some. Right, nice. Okay, just a little swig. And then I'm gonna pour me some because really it's only a little swig left in there, right? Okay. Okay. Footage. All right, swishy, swishy, swish. Okay. What do you think?
It's okay. It's not dry. It's not really that dry.
It's sweet, right?
It's a little sweet. It could be sweeter. I like sweet wine.
Well, it said Concord. Sorry, not Concord. It said cognac grapes made with cognac. No, I'm lying. It said made with organic grapes. Okay, so yes, made with organic grapes. Are you tasting any fruits? Anything standing out?
Not really. It just tastes like wine to me.
How dare you? Well, I'm definitely tasting the grape, right? I'm definitely tasting the grape. It tastes a lot better than those muscadine wines. I can't stand that.
Yeah, I don't like those either, but
It's a little dry. It's a little dry. It's not really sweet. It's a little dry. It's a little dry. I'm partial to reds, but yeah, this is a little dry. So overall, is it giving Luxe? Does it stand up to its higher priced counterparts? I wouldn't put this on the Luxe List.
I don't think so. It's pretty average to me.
Yeah. Same. Okay. Let's finish it, right? Okay, so it's I don't really think that this is luxury quality. I don't think this is I think this is value quality, right? It's not bad, but I've definitely had way better white wine. So Cameron, better luck next time, right? Okay. That was a white. Now we're gonna move on to a rosé. So this is Hampton Water, and this is by Jess and John Bon Jovi. Okay, so we're gonna try it. How do we even open this? Okay, give me a second. Oh, hello. Okay, wait a minute. Voila. Do we need to sniff to cleanse the palate? Okay. This smells good on its own. Okay, let me get this top off. It's definitely a cute bottle. It has like its own little like cork, but it's like a glass cork. So that's definitely, I think it's like a blush colored bottle, and it is, it has like a glass cork. So that's so cute, right? It's like, okay, there we go. Look, let me show the cork. So look, this is so cute, right? I mean, this is a really good idea because usually you uncork it and then you have to do something weird to like put the cork back in because it expands. So this is a really good idea. Good idea, John. All right, you first, sir. Let me do it. Let me do it like the wine people. Okay, we just need a swig. Okay, just a swig, just a swig, just a swig. Okay, and then we're gonna put the cork back. And then we're gonna swishy, swishy, swishy. That was a big sip you took. I heard it. This is good, actually. Okay, clearly, right? It's good. It is good.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? What don't you like about it?
Tastes.
I'm definitely tasting the fruit, like the notes of the berry.
I don't know. It tastes waxy or something.
Waxy?
Yeah, I don't like the taste.
Okay, you don't like the taste, but okay, it's up to your mouth again. Clearly you don't like it. Okay, so
I don't like anything about it. I don't like it at all.
you don't like anything about it. Okay, so for me, I like it, but I will say that as you drink it a little more, it's a little sour, like a sour taste.
It's a weird taste that I don't like.
It's not weird. Let me see. How do you get this back in it? Do we screw it back in? I mean, this is a good idea if it can go back in. It has to be. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. I mean, really, the bottle itself is really, really, really cute. I mean, I like this bottle a lot. This bottle is giving Luxe. It's definitely giving Luxe. The wine, though. I mean, I've had better rosé. It's definitely not like a $200 bottle of rosé. But I think it's really good.
I don't like it.
Okay. So you don't feel like this would stand up to a more expensive bottle?
I mean, the bottle would. The stuff
I mean,
inside
right. I mean, like the rosé.
The bottle passed the test, but the stuff inside the bottle.
Okay, so it was not good for you. Okay.
It looks nice though.
Definitely. I definitely think the bottle looks really nice, and I think the idea of the cork is very nice. Okay, so I don't think that this one made the Luxe list either. So, but I like it. Okay. The last one on our Luxe list is a bubbly. So this is Party by Miss Vera Wang. And this is a Prosecco. So this is a DOC Prosecco actually. So, and this is a cute bottle, and to me it's just like her, right? Like really edgy and like fun. So I like this packaging, it's cute. All right, let's crack this baby open. Okay. So yeah, this is standard bottle, so standard cork. Which you know, you twist it 6 times. Right? And then that's gonna lift this off. I'm teaching you guys how to properly open this bottle. And you do not push it off, you twist it, right? You twist the cork, and then it just comes off nice and neat, and it does not shoot anywhere and, you know, pop anyone in the eye. So, okay, so we're gonna try this Prosecco. Now, Prosecco is my favorite, so I'm gonna be real judgy on this one. Okay, a little extra. A little extra. All right, let's go. Okay, so a little bubbly, we're gonna try it out. First of all, let me cleanse my little palette because you don't need to cleanse.
No, I cleanse mine already.
I do because it's so like, coffee smells so good.
No, it's smelling. That's what I think the taste. I mean,
Yeah. Okay, so yes, so smelling is supposed to kind of like, because a lot of our tasting comes from smell, so it's supposed to kind of like open up your nasal and refresh the palate.
Just takes wine and coffee. Maybe not cleansed.
Honestly, okay. Guys, listen, my hair, right? I'm going through a phase right now. The girl will be done up soon, right? I am resetting for the summer, so look out for that video. You guys get to see what I'm doing to reset. Anyway, let's try. You like?
That's good. Mm-hmm.
You like? Okay. Is it giving luxe, right? Is it like sophisticated? Do you see yourself, would you see this standing up to, you know, this bottle standing up to the bottle of, let's say, I don't know, View or something a little bit more classic? You do?
Yeah, I think this one does. The packaging and the taste. Okay.
Actually, I like it. I do like it. You guys know I love View. That's my favorite. But I think this is really good. I think this was less than $20, right? This bottle. And I would say if I were to put it in a glass, I probably would think it was expensive. So it does taste very expensive to me. Yeah, I like this. And I like the packaging too. Yay, Vera, you did a good job. We like this one. So, all right, well, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.